Well, as far as the humanitarian aid is concerned, India immediately being the first responder due to such crisis that has been reported in neighboring Myanmar, where two more Indian Air Force aircrafts are now being loaded with relief material for Myanmar as planes will depart from AFS Hindon soon. And earlier, approximately 15 tons of relief material was sent to Myanmar through an Indian Air Force C-130J aircraft from Air Force Station in Hindon, as two more Indian Air Force aircrafts are now being loaded with relief material for Myanmar. There are teams as well that has been dispatched when it comes to medical teams that would be aiding the rescue teams and the workers there in Myanmar. This is as far as the responsibility that Srinjoy as first responders during the time of crisis is concerned. The concern that was already shown by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is now sending back-to-back humanitarian aid.
Undoubtedly, India is the closest. India has the capability, and naturally, India will do it because this is something India has always said it will do. This is something India will do for its friends, for humanitarian reasons anywhere, and particularly in this area, because India sees itself as a South Asian major country which can actually reach out and help other countries when they need the help.
Absolutely. And what all is now being done under Operation Brahma, as it is now being called, Srinjoy, because there are medical kits, there are when it comes to the easy meal eating kits as well, hygiene kits, medical teams, all of them that is now being dispatched.
Exactly too. What do you need most when you have a critical time like this, like what has happened now, an earthquake? You need medical kits. You need help for people who have been pulled out of the route. You need doctors who can help with all these people who have been badly affected. We saw this, India has done this again and again. We saw this done in Nepal, for instance, with great success. And that is something that India feels is its duty. India feels it's its responsibility. And therefore,
so this is the second dispatch that has now been sent across with two more Indian Air Force planes with the relief materials that are now being sent to Myanmar during the time of crisis. Also being done from Bangkok, where Pradeep Datta is currently present, and the rescue work that is also being taking over there as far as the under construction building that collapsed in yesterday's massive earthquake. Let's take a look.